Every gardener knows the frustration. Plants sulk despite your best efforts. We often blame nutrients, but the real secret is the life in the soil. Beneath our feet, microbes, bacteria, fungi and more break down organic matter, create air and water pathways, and protect roots. Chemical fertilizers offer a quick fix, but they bypass this natural system, weakening long-term soil health. Feeding the soil's microbial life is the foundation of a thriving garden. Healthy microbes mean better water retention, stronger roots, and natural disease resistance. Before reaching for synthetic feeds, ask, does your soil need chemicals or a boost to its living community? By nurturing microbes, you solve problems at the root and build resilience. 2 simple homemade ways to do this: rice water and compost tea. These aren't just fertilizers, they're food for the life in your soil. Rice water, the cloudy liquid from rinsing rice, is a centuries-old garden secret. It's rich in starch, a quick snack for soil bacteria, helping them multiply and energize your soil. To make it, rinse uncooked rice, collect the milky water, and let it ferment for a few days. Dilute 1 part fermented rice water with 10 parts water before use. Water your plant's base, especially seedlings and leafy greens, for a gentle microbial boost. Use it in containers or vegetable beds to quickly improve fertility. Don't overdo it, apply no more than every 2 weeks, and always dilute. Avoid using on dry soil. Water first, then apply rice water. Used right, it jump-starts soil life and helps young plants thrive. Simple, effective, and all from your kitchen. Compost tea is a living brew, packed with beneficial microbes for your soil and plants. Brew it by bubbling finished compost in non-chlorinated water with a bit of molasses for 24 to 36 hours. Aeration is key. Oxygen keeps good microbes alive and multiplying. Once brewed, use immediately as a soil drench or foliar spray. As a drench, it inoculates roots with diverse microbes, improving soil structure and nutrient flow. As a spray, it coats leaves with beneficial organisms, outcompeting disease. Compost tea is ideal for perennials, shrubs and trees, anywhere you want lasting soil health. It's more effort than rice water, but the results are transformative. A true feast for your garden's living community. Rice water and compost tea serve different purposes. Think of rice water as a quick boost, compost tea as long-term nourishment. Rice water is fast, easy, and energizes existing soil bacteria, perfect for annuals and containers. Compost tea introduces a wide range of new microbes, building deep, lasting soil health. Rice water won't help lifeless soil. Compost tea can revive depleted ground. Rice water's strength is simplicity, compost tea's is diversity. Compost tea takes more effort and must be used fresh, but it's unmatched for restoring tired soils. Use rice water for quick results in healthy beds. Compost tea for rebuilding and sustaining soil life. Both have their place. Choose based on your garden's needs. Together they're powerful tools for any gardener. More isn't always better. Overusing rice water can cause imbalance, and poorly brewed compost tea can harm plants. Stick to diluted rice water every 2 weeks, and always aerate compost tea. Water soil before applying either treatment for best results. With time, you'll notice darker, crumbly soil, more earthworms, and healthier plants. Leaves will be greener, roots stronger, and your garden more resilient to stress. The goal: work with nature, not against it. Use rice water as a gentle tonic for annuals. Compost tea as a foundation for lasting fertility. The real secret isn't in a bottle, it's in the living soil beneath your feet. Feed the microbes and you'll nourish your garden for years to come.